Welcome to AimBetter Academy. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain subtabs in the Performance tab related to Operational System Layer, from Services to Analyze. The Performance tab is the second in the main menu. Each subtab relates to one of the elements in the server's environment. In this video, we'll start with the Services subtab. Here you'll find details about the services running on your server at this moment, similar to the Windows Task Manager. You can click on any specific service graph and receive the status of this service over a certain period. To change the period, go to the calendar on the right side, choose the period, the endpoint time, and click on Set. The Process subtab shows each process running on the server at this moment and many parameters related to this process. In the same way as in other performance subtabs, you can click on any of the graphs and see an expanded graph of the selected parameter over a certain period. You can also add other graphs by clicking on Add Graph. All the graphs will be displayed for the same period. You may compare two different periods. Go to the calendar, activate the Compare option, and choose the endpoint times for comparison. Hovering the mouse over the graphs, you can see the metrics for each specific time in all of the graphs. The Images subtab is very similar to the Processes subtab. The difference is that each line represents an aggregation of all the processes of the same type. For example, all Chrome occurrences are aggregated in one line. The Analyze subtab is the last one related to the operational system layer. It shows logs of every 5 minutes for the last 1.5 hours. You can set another 1.5 hours period by changing the endpoint time in the calendar. The Analyze subtab is very useful to investigate what happened in a specific period. Each log can be expanded and displays the resources usage at this specific time: CPU, network, disk, and memory. Each resource can be expanded to get details on which process or services consumed more of these resources and other important information. Thank you for watching. We hope you've got all the information you were looking for. And we're glad we got to show you how to use this aspect of AimBetter's platform. Please check out our YouTube channel or website aimbetter.com for more information.